everyone, Gabbi D here to show you how to DIY. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make your very own laptop stand using a simple shoebox that you might have at home. So this is super perfect for students and for those working from home who have to use their laptops daily. So having a laptop stand is actually very beneficial for both you and your laptop because it encourages you to sit up straight and avoid slouching when you're working. And for your laptop because it provides ventilation to avoid it crashing and for it to retain its overall performance. So without further blabber, here are the materials you'll need to make your very own laptop stand. A shoebox big enough for your laptop, double-sided tape, cutter, and scissors. To start, take your shoebox and open up the sides of the box. Starting from the edge of the cover, cut a diagonal line down to the base of the box like this. Do this for both sides to create the base of your laptop stand. Now take the frontmost part of the box and cut that piece in half horizontally to make your laptop stand stopper. Once you have that, cut off these edges of the cover and open it up. Using the double-sided tape, stick the cover's uppermost flap to the front of the box like this. You should already have a small triangle in front of your stand. Take the flaps at the side and tape it to the sides of the box just to keep it in place and to put structure on your stand. Do this on the other side as well. Now to allow air to pass through your laptop stand, use a cutter to cut rectangular shapes across the base. Do this at the back as well so that air from the outside could also help cool down your laptops. So now you have your very own laptop stand that you can bring with you on your bed or on your table or really anywhere you work or study. So if you don't like the brands plastered all over your laptop stand, feel free to modify it or design it yourself. So that's it for today's video. I hope this helped the way you work or the way you study at home. So I'd love to see how you made your very own laptop stands. I hope you tag me on my Instagram, that's at gabbi.diy, when you make one. Thank you for watching and see you on my next DIY video. Always remember, make stuff happen today. Bye!